Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are jumping straight into another explainer, and we're looking at something I am super excited about: the Pro's Guide to Salads. Specifically, we're completely deconstructing the legendary summer quinoa bowl. So if you've ever felt like salads just, kind of leave you hungry, or you are absolutely tired of sweating over a hot stove in the middle of July, well, you are exactly in the right place. We're going to build the ultimate high-protein, zero-oven summer meal. Okay, let's look at our syllabus for today. 1. Beating the summer heat. 2. Building a hydrating base. 3. The hero, honey citrus chicken. 4. Assembly and dressing breakdown. And 5. Pro upgrades and nutrition. All right, let's kick things off with section 1. Beating the summer heat. Strategies for 35 to 45 degrees Celsius weather. Look, we all know the absolute misery of trying to force down a heavy, steaming hot meal during a massive heat wave, right? It just sits in your stomach like a rock, makes you totally sluggish, and honestly, just standing over a hot stove to make it, that's half the punishment right there. Which brings us to a really fascinating question. How do you actually eat a hearty 620-calorie lunch in 45-degree heat without breaking a single sweat? I mean, it sounds almost impossible. Usually, 600 plus calories means a burger or heavy pasta or something that's literally going to make you need a nap. But the solution? It relies entirely on two things: smart temperature control and strategic ingredient selection. So here are the pro tips for actually serving this in the dead of summer. First off, you want to serve this dish completely chilled, straight out of the fridge. Taking it to work or maybe a picnic, pack it in an insulated container with a couple of ice packs. But here's why this really matters for you busy meal preppers out there. You can make the quinoa base the night before. This creates a totally frictionless, cooling meal that is ready the absolute second you want it. And if it's exceptionally hot out, just go ahead and add some extra cucumber or even toss in some watermelon to really spike those hydration levels. Section 2. Building a hydrating base. The summer quinoa salad. Okay, this is where we lay the foundation for our pro-level framework. We're starting with 3 cups of cooked, cooled quinoa to give us that essential structural volume. Then, we mix in 1.5 cups of diced cucumber and cherry tomatoes, some fresh corn, and a diced red bell pepper for that perfect, crisp crunch. But, and this is a brilliant culinary clash from our source material, notice how we have 1 cup of sliced, sweet, fresh strawberries going right up against a 1/2 cup of crumbled, super salty feta cheese. It is so good. Throw in 1/4 cup of fresh mint and basil, top it with a 1/2 cup of toasted pumpkin seeds, and man, it's just a masterclass in texture and flavor balance. Now, the magic here is all about cooling hydration. Think of ingredients like cucumber and fresh mint literally acting as your body's internal air conditioning. When you are out in extreme summer weather, these specific cooling herbs and vegetables functionally hydrate you from the inside out. They actually help lower your body temperature. It's like your food is doing double duty as climate control. Moving to section 3, the hero. Honey citrus chicken, sweet, savory, and glazed. So a great base needs an anchor, right? And this protein is going to carry the entire dish. Here's the blueprint for a really bright, sweet and spicy marinade. We're taking 600 grams of chicken, breast or thighs, totally your call, and letting it soak in 3 tablespoons of local raw honey, plus the juice and zest of 2 limes and the juice of an orange. We round all that out with a couple tablespoons of olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, some smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and if you want a little kick, an optional 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now, quick pro tip here: cook this chicken early in the morning, get it grilled up, and just throw it in the fridge. That way, you completely avoid heating up your kitchen during the worst, hottest part of the afternoon. Now, what's really fascinating about this recipe is how choosing the exact right honey completely alters the whole flavor architecture of your chicken. For instance, if you use an Ontario wildflower honey, you get this beautifully balanced floral flavor that really elevates those complex citrus pairings. On the other hand, if you've got picky eaters at home, just go with clover. It's super mild and incredibly family-friendly. But if you want a rich, really dark glaze on that grilled meat, buckwheat honey is going to give you this bold, robust flavor that is just wow, it's incredible. So why are we insisting on honey in the first place? Well, the science behind it is pretty cool. Honey isn't just a sweetener. It actually provides a beautiful caramelized glaze on the protein when it hits the grill. And even more importantly, it delivers really quick, natural carbohydrate energy without relying on any refined sugar. When that extreme summer heat is just sapping your strength and making you feel super lethargic, this natural energy is exactly what your body is craving to bounce right back. Section 4. Assembly and dressing breakdown. tying it all together. Okay, so we've got our cool, hydrating base, and we've got our savory glazed hero protein. But we need a binder to unite them, right? Enter the golden honey lime dressing. You'll need 3 tablespoons of raw honey, the juice of 2 limes, a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, some sea salt, and a pinch of cayenne if you're feeling adventurous. This dressing acts as the absolute perfect flavor bridge. It grabs those savory, smoky notes from the grilled chicken and just perfectly balances them against the sweet strawberries and fresh mint in the quinoa base. Let's move to the assembly and see how this builds into our final dish with a super simple, foolproof 4-step process. Step 1, you mix your marinade, soak the chicken for anywhere from 30 minutes to 4 hours, then get it grilled and sliced. Step 2, combine your cooled quinoa with all those crisped vegetables, herbs, feta, and seeds. Step 3, whisk your dressing ingredients together until they're perfectly smooth. And finally, step 4, portion the quinoa into your bowls, crown it with your sliced chicken, and just generously drizzle that golden dressing over the whole thing. It is structured, it's simple, and it's practically fail-proof. Finally, Section 5, Pro Upgrades and Nutrition, elevating the experience. Let's take a quick look at the hard nutritional data here. The macro breakdown brilliantly illustrates what makes this meal so special. We are looking at 65 grams of carbohydrates for sustained energy, 22 grams of healthy fats for satiety, and a massive chunk of protein. Coming in at about 620 calories total, this proves that we aren't just making a flimsy side salad. This is a perfectly macro-balanced meal, engineered from the ground up to keep you full and energized all day long. So the crucial point to take away here is that massive 42-gram protein stat. 42 grams of protein in a single summer salad. That completely shatters the old myth that salads are just going to leave you hungry an hour later. By utilizing a really generous portion of quinoa, feta, seeds, and chicken, you're getting a meal that is incredibly hearty, but because it's served cold, it never feels heavy or sluggish. Now, let's say you really want to impress some guests. The source material offers these amazing pollinator power bowl upgrades. You can literally transform this standard meal prep dish into a premium farmer's market quality dining experience. Try sprinkling a teaspoon of bee pollen over the top for this amazing texture and extra nutrients. Swap in whatever hyperlocal berries you can find in your area. Add edible flowers like calendula or nasturtium for an absolute burst of color. And then finish the whole shebang with a drizzle of premium local wildflower honey. Honestly, it's stunning just to look at. Seriously, just imagine reading this description on a high-end cafe menu. Grilled honey citrus chicken over chilled summer quinoa with fresh Ontario produce, herbs, and a golden wildflower honey lime dressing. A refreshing taste of summer powered by pollinators. The sensory language there just completely brings the recipe to life, doesn't it? It's literally enough to make anyone's mouth water. Which leaves us with one final, very important thought. With instant hydration built right into the core ingredients, a muscle-building 42 grams of protein, and that vibrant, sweet and savory honey lime finish, what is stopping you from upgrading your summer lunch today? You've got the blueprint. You know the science. Now take this ProBide framework into your own kitchen and beat the heat like an absolute master. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. I really can't wait to see you guys apply this, and I'll catch you on the next one.